Good morning, friends, and welcome to the SBI Securities morning podcast. Talking about our markets yesterday, the Indian equity indices they bounced back yesterday, erasing all the previous sessions' losses, with Nifty finishing about 26,000, led by IT and financials. At close, the Sensex was up 0.61% and Nifty was up 0.55%. Moving on to the fund flows, FIIs turned net buyers as they bought in stocks worth rupees 1,580 crores, and DIIs also continued their buying run as they bought in stocks worth rupees 1,360 crore in the cash market yesterday. For today, the GIFT Nifty is trading higher at around 26,154, which indicates a strong start for the day. Key events to watch today would be the release of the 8 core industries output data by the government for the month of October. Additionally, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal alongside with the business delegation will be on official visit to Israel between November 20 to November 22. Additionally, Australian Foreign Minister that is Penny Wong is in India to meet our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Moving on to the US markets, the US benchmark indices they were mainly in a wait and watch mode in regular trading on Wednesday ahead of the Nvidia results. These results were reported after the closing bell, and the summary in a broad term is that Nvidia has beat expectations on both the revenue and EPS front. The company's guidance for the ongoing quarter is also higher than what the analyst had previously expected, which resulted in a surge in the stock during the extended trading. As a result, the futures on the Wall Street have surged higher in response to the blockbuster results posted by the company. The dollar index has now reached the 100 mark, with it currently being at around 100.29. USD INR is at 88.58 and Brent is currently at 63.67. Coming to the Asian markets, a relief rally was seen sweeping across the Asian markets and it lifted stocks in the early trade as investors cheered Nvidia's market topping earnings. Nikkei was up 3.7% and Kospi was up 2.5% in the early trade. Coming back to our markets and the stocks which would be in focus today, then NBCC would be in focus as the company has received an order worth 2,966 crore from the Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority. So positive for the company today. Along with that, a major news in receipt for Adani Enterprises and Jaiprakash Associate as the committee of creditors of Jaiprakash Associate, a company which is undergoing the corporate insolvency resolution process. The committee has now approved the resolution plan which was submitted by Adani Enterprises, and subsequently Adani Enterprises has received a letter of intent from the resolution professional for the acquisition of Jaiprakash Associates. Another stock which will be in focus is Mahindra Holidays and Resorts as the company has announced it has entered the leisure hospitality business segment, which will be carried out under the brand name of Mahindra Signature Resorts. Going forward, the company aims to scale this brand to 2,000 keys by FY30. On the bulk deal side, which was seen yesterday, then Tenneco Clean Air India, the newly listed company, saw a bulk deal wherein Goldman Sachs India equity portfolio purchased around 21.8 lakh shares, which represents approximately 0.54% of the company's paid up equity. This deal happened at a price of rupees 508.2 per share, and which translates into a total deal size of rupees 110.9 crore. For today, another stock which will be in focus is the listing of Fujiyama Power System as the newly launched company via the IPO route will be listed on the exchanges. So that was all for today, and thank you so much for tuning in.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.